Hey up everyone, you've reached Yorkshire Shaun channel. We're off to see Luke Stoltman, the island stall for all here, ready. And there's a rate tribe. Yeah, rude. More, brother. No, they ain't done. Nothing, geezer. Rooney, love. Are you going in this? Are you going in this today?
You're getting in.
Am I getting in? I'm not getting in. No, I ain't no see with a wetsuit on, but get in here, mate. Look at this. Yeah, I know. Yeah, man, right, kidder. This is the main dipper himself here.
I know the lad here, Tom.
Yeah, man, yeah, man. Dipper, yeah, man.
Now, this one's sure here, Tom.
Fucking hell. He's sneaking in, he's sneaking in. We'll try and get them all in one by one as we go round, innit, man? Yeah, man, we'll get some good videos for you, dude. Not here, right.
Did do, I don't know.
Which big man, anyway? Oh, we'll not bug him for a minute. He'll be well busy, won't he? Look at this. It's a rate tribe. Couldn't get in car park. We've had to park right up there, Tom. We have. Filming now. We're all going to start walking down. We'll all hang back a bit. Film something. Yeah, Rooney. That's what you call some dippers, innit, dude?
That's it. We've got all Shaun here.
It's like a queue for dipping, innit? The dippers come down one by one. Hey, go on, man. It's non-stop, are all these people going in? I've lost count. I've lost count now. Are you going in and all, girls? Brave souls, mega. Hey, he's here, man himself. Hey, brother, nice one, yeah, mate, chuffing hell, well, it looks like you've got something warm to put on afterwards.
Well, sweating at the moment, it's a bit warm down here. It's like a summer.
Well, you're Scottish, man, aren't you? So it's Scottish, innit?
No, it's nice to be back, man. It's a pleasure as always.
Yeah, man. Hey, turn out this year though.
Look
at this.
Yeah, it's class, isn't it? Really nice to see.
I think it's doubled or tripled from last year, hasn't it?
It's wild.
This.
Well, this is craziest Yorkshire man ever.
yeah. You need to follow it. You need Yorkshire Shaun page, dude. And we'll get you because you've still got a Stolt machine.
Stolt.
That off-road machine, you had a four-wheel drive pickup, didn't you?
The pickup, yeah.
Oh, have you got a Tesla thing there?
You got a Tesla?
No, you got a thing. You got a Tesla, didn't you?
No, that was. They went down to view it. Tom went down to see it. He didn't get it. It was just a promo.
Right. I thought you were going to get it and trash it.
You, Shaun, Yorkman.
Yeah, man. Well, we are actually. Have you seen that Isuzu that I smashed into that Audi Quattro?
I've seen it.
I went to for my lad, and I got straight in it, and I accidentally reversed it into the guy's Audi Quattro and writ it off. Yeah. So I've just recently sold it because it like had a bad omen on it. Kid came to pick it up. He only reversed straight into his own trailer with it. No. Yeah, into his recovery trailer.
You jinxed it, didn't you?
Yeah. So anyway, we'll not talk about no jinx. We'll get through this pin, mate. After you guys, go on. Well, right, I'm going to go and get a good position so I can see him have a good dive. Stay tuned. Where we are here, river, absolutely beautiful. It's like a stone riverbed. All the way down to this spot where we're off to now, the jump spot. We'll keep following them to the jump spot. We're here, everyone's just getting the kit off and getting ready. I'll try and get purchased somewhere nice for you. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh no. Dippers going in one by one. No health and safety on this one. Luke's already in. Unfortunately, we missed him jumping in because of didgeridoo, man. But it was great, that didgeridoo dude. We'll get Luke again in a minute. He'll be jumping in. There'll be a big photo when everyone's gone in, I should think. Look at this. Great turnout of mad heads, isn't there? Kind of makes me want to do it, but it's just too cold. First in, first freezing. Yeah, Maury. Looks like Maury. Whoa. It's a long drop, actually. It is, it's a long drop. Don't look much on camera, but even stood from here. 1, 2, 3 3-second drop. Let's Maury, this is Maury going for it. My big pal, old friend here. Yeah, do it. Yes. Is this going to be the last man going in with hat on? Oh, he's taking hat off. Hat's coming off. And he's in, yes. Is this young girl last going in? Jesus. Oh, if she does, that's well brave. Oh my. What a brave girl. What a brave girl. Mega brave. Where's Luke? Oh, he's there. Right in middle. There's only about 5 more to go. So we'll film them. And then there's a lady up next after this one. Oh, that lady in blue looks freezing. Oh, here we comes a lady. She's going to show all men up here. She showed me up because I ain't gone in. I hope she's alright. Oh, she's going off top bit up here. Oh, look at her. God, she's nuts. She's nuts there, isn't she? Crazy. Who's this an oldish guy? He's on top one. Oh, whoa, go on, pal. What a nutter. They're all going off of this top route here. Nutters. Top routers. Yay! Yay! There's somebody else coming, but they're thinking about it at top. Oh. Right, who's there? Where's the main man? He's there, in middle. Having a laugh, look. Loving it. Loving it. What's this guy doing? Yay! I think that could be a wrap. Oh no, look, there's 2 more people going. They've got dry hair, so they're fresh. They're fresh at job. Looks dangerous. And if they've got Crocs, they've got Crocs on. Be alright jumping off and your Croc getting stuck, wouldn't you? Oh, go on, lad, he's doing it. What an effort. Go on, lad. Oh, rocks there. Oh, is he alright? I didn't think he were coming back up then. Jesus. Nutters, they're all giving advice now to how to get in or how not to get in. Whoa, and he's in. Is he going to come back up? Dangerous this, innit? Dangerous. Imagine this waterfall, look at this. Yay! There's it, main Dippers descends here, look. Luke's there. We've even got people on the other side filming here, look, for another YouTube channel. Look at that there, you don't want to fall in that there. Saying that, if you did fall in that, you'd only end up where they are. Oh, they're going for a big splash. And we'll leave it till Luke decides he's going to jump in again. That's more in there. Hey. Oh, there's this woman here, they're going for it. Bit of power swimming. They're going for big swim underneath. Hardcore these, I don't know if they can touch bottom there or not. I'm sure it's quite deep though. Hey. All right, big man's going for it. He's going for it, this is Luke. Hey! Whoa! He's back in here, and as usual he looks like a big beetroot. Crikey! Hey, look at back though, Superman. Yeah. That's it. He's on with didgeridoo. Yeah, more easy. Look at him. Another beetroot. Some of them aren't red.
How long are you thinking to do?
Everyone's getting a selfie with big man. Yay! Yeah man, brilliant. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed watching big man jumping in river and Sheffield Dippers. Ladies, it's alright to fancy them. Men, it's alright to fancy them too. I don't fancy any of them. I just came here to do some filming. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that Yorkshire Shaun channel. Stay tuned, subscribe. Nice one. See you in a bit. Bye bye.